Hi animal lovers, this is Anirudh. Today I am going to explain the reasons of Ginichimaru for betraying Soul Society. Please watch, subscribe, like, share and comment. Gin Ichimaru defected from Soul Society to follow Aizen. However, there is more to his betrayal than just that. In reality, it was simply a cover so he could achieve his true purpose. Since they were children, Gin Ichimaru and Soul Reaper Rangiku Matsumoto always had a very close relationship with each other until Aizen came into their lives. One day, while out gathering wood, Gin Ichimaru stumbled upon Aizen and some other Soul Reapers scheming over the Ogyoku and Rangiku's limp body. They had used the Ogyoku to steal a portion of Rangiku's soul, and Gin Ichimaru, enraged, decided that he would become a Soul Reaper himself and destroy Aizen for what he did to her. After becoming a Soul Reaper, Gin Ichimaru decided the best way to kill Aizen would be to get as close to him as possible. He gained Aizen's trust by killing one of his Soul Reaper comrades and stayed in the villain's good graces using his snake-like personality. Gin Ichimaru hated Aizen but followed his orders, playing the role of the faithful minion right up to the point of betraying Soul Society entirely, including Rangiku, the person he was avenging. Through the years he spent with Aizen, Gin Ichimaru carefully analyzed his behavior and powers, eventually learning a crucial weakness of his master Zanpakuto. Gin Ichimaru finally made his move when he and Aizen entered the real Karakura town in Soul Society. There they were confronted by Rangiku, who Gin Ichimaru offered to fight in Aizen's stead. He lied about killing her before at last attacking Aizen, creating a hole in his heart. This, however, wasn't enough to stop Aizen. Aizen healed the hole in his chest and killed Gin Ichimaru. Aside from personal revenge, Gin Ichimaru likely had yet another reason for following Aizen. When he attacked Aizen, Gin Ichimaru mentioned that he was the only one who could kill Aizen, as only he knew the Reaper's weakness. Perhaps Gin Ichimaru knew right from the start that Aizen would become a much larger threat to the world and nobody would be prepared when the time came. To that end, Gin Ichimaru spent years getting up and personal with Aizen, learning things about him until the right moment came to strike. However, when his plan ultimately failed, he found that he was forced to leave the rest to Ichigo, who would recently gained new abilities. In the end, Gin Ichimaru had good intentions, but took his approach to the furthest extreme. He betrayed Soul Society in order to save it, but found himself facing down death in the end. These are the reasons of Gin Ichimaru for betraying Soul Society. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked my video.